Write a comment before continuing the video to take part in a like health poll, whether you drink coffee with cloves or not, and your country of residence. We would love to hear and share your experiences with us. If you drop just one clove into your coffee this morning, something interesting begins to happen inside your body that most people never really think about. Within the first minutes after drinking your coffee, caffeine begins entering your bloodstream and moving toward your brain. Once it reaches the brain, it starts blocking a chemical called adenosine, which is responsible for making you feel tired and mentally slowed down. As that signal fades, your brain naturally shifts into a more alert state, almost as if a fog has been gently lifted. You don't feel a sudden shock of energy, but rather a gradual sharpening of awareness. At the same time, coffee is delivering more than just caffeine. It contains natural plant compounds called polyphenol that are studied for their role in supporting brain function and reducing oxidative stress. This is where the addition of clove becomes interesting. Clove contains a powerful compound called eugenol, which has been widely studied for its antioxidant activity. While it doesn't stimulate the nervous system like caffeine, it may support a more balanced internal environment during that stimulation. So instead of a sharp, jittery feeling, some people describe a smoother sense of alertness. As caffeine continues to circulate, its influence on focus and mental performance becomes more noticeable. Research shows that caffeine can improve attention span, reaction time, and cognitive processing speed. This is largely connected to dopamine activity, which plays a role in motivation and mental drive. Tasks that normally feel mentally heavy may start to feel more manageable, almost like your brain is working with less resistance. Clove, in parallel, contributes additional antioxidant compounds that are being studied for their protective effects on cells, including brain cells exposed to daily oxidative stress. From there, the body begins to reflect these internal changes in energy usage. Caffeine is known to temporarily increase thermogenesis, which is the process of heat and energy production in the body. This can slightly increase energy expenditure and influence how the body uses fuel. It's not a dramatic transformation, but rather a subtle shift in how efficiently the body operates. Clove's bioactive compounds have also been studied for their potential role in supporting metabolic balance and reducing inflammatory stress signals in the body. As the drink settles deeper into your system, one of the most consistent effects of coffee becomes more noticeable in digestion. Coffee naturally stimulates the gastrointestinal system and can increase bowel activity in many people. This is a well-documented physiological response to caffeine. Clove has a long history of traditional use in digestive comfort and has been studied for its carminative properties, which may help reduce bloating and gas sensations. Together, they create a more active digestive response, though individual experiences vary widely. As time passes, what often stands out is not just a burst of energy, but the quality of that energy. Many people report that their energy feels more stable when spices like clove are included, although this effect is subtle and not universal. This may be related to the antioxidant density and how the body handles oxidative stress during caffeine metabolism. Instead of a quick rise followed by a noticeable drop, the experience may feel more even and sustained. Looking at the bigger picture, both coffee and clove have been widely studied in nutritional science for their antioxidant content. Coffee is already one of the richest sources of antioxidants in the modern diet, and clove significantly increases that total antioxidant capacity. These compounds don't detox the body in a dramatic way, but they do support the body's natural ability to neutralize free radicals and manage cellular stress. Over time, diets rich in antioxidants are associated in population studies with better markers of overall health and resilience. What makes this combination interesting is not a single dramatic effect, but the way multiple small biological interactions stack together. Caffeine stimulates alertness, coffee provides antioxidant compounds, and clove adds another layer of plant-based bioactive support. Individually, each effect is modest, but together, they create a more complex and balanced physiological response. In the end, this combination of coffee and clove is less about a miracle trick and more about enhancing a daily habit with small, meaningful science-backed additions. If you want to try it, the safest and simplest method is to add just one whole clove directly into your hot brewed coffee and let it steep for a few minutes before drinking. This allows the aromatic compounds like eugenol to gently infuse without overpowering the natural taste of coffee. Some people also prefer lightly crushing the clove before adding it, which can slightly increase the release of its oils. However, moderation is key. More is not better when it comes to concentrated spices like clove. Excess intake may irritate the stomach in sensitive individuals, so starting small is always the best approach. For a healthier version, avoid adding sugar and instead let the natural spice bring subtle warmth and depth to the flavor. You can also pair this drink with breakfast to help stabilize energy levels throughout the morning. Ultimately, the goal is not to replace your routine, but to upgrade it with simple, natural ingredients supported by nutritional science. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, stay tuned, because small changes like this often reveal the biggest differences in how your body feels every day. If you prefer drinking clove water instead of coffee, you might be interested in discussing its potential health benefits. Personally, I find it fascinating that clove water contains powerful antioxidants that help protect the body cells from oxidative stress. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may support overall wellness. Some studies suggest that compounds found in cloves can contribute to better digestion and gut health. In addition, clove water may help support the immune system due to its natural antimicrobial effects. Unlike coffee, it contains no caffeine, making it a suitable option for those who want to avoid stimulants. Many people also believe it can help maintain oral health and fresh breath. Another interesting point is its potential role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. While more research is still being conducted, the scientific evidence surrounding cloves continues to grow. What do you think? Could clove water be a healthier daily choice than coffee for some people? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new